why FLSmidth is attending Electra this year?
Well, in short, Electra Mining is the premier mining event in Southern Africa and Africa. It's all the major players are here from the mining industry, industrial, power and transport industries, and it's a great place to converse, to be able to talk to people and find out where they are in the industry. The impacts of these discussions are also far-reaching. There's a lot of global people here, so it's always interesting to hear what they have to say and their insights, which is great. It's the perfect opportunity for us to be able to speak to the operational customers as well and other role players. We have then the ability to show them our new products and innovations, which is productivity enhancement for them in the end. It's a vital platform to show how we can contribute to the industry as a whole. We gather new ideas through these conversations and what the industry see going forward.
Okay, so you've said you're showing some new products on the stand. Tell me about some of these products.
Okay, with a large amount of products we've been pushing into the market over the last 12 months. We've got 3 specific ones downstairs. The first one is FLSmidth, which is wear-resistant panels. They extend and protect the hopper chute and also the deflector plate. In fact, they last 10 to 15 times longer than any other wear liner that's available currently. It's a patent pending wear panel. It helps with the downtime and maintenance just because of its ease of installation. Normal hand tools can be used, simple bolt and nut application. They weigh 5 kilograms, so there's no need for this heavy lifting equipment. So that's a great product to push. It's got a unique matrix, steel and ceramic. And as the product wears, the design ensures that these ceramic tiles don't fall out and they stay in place.
Okay.
So with ease of installation, a good price, and the time you save, it's a great product to bring into the market. The second thing we have is the Slurry Max. Slurry Max is a new design. It comes in liner options, chrome, rubber and urethane. We also have a new expeller design, which is hydraulically very beneficial. In South Africa and in Africa, there's a great shortage of water, and it's expensive to have water to the plant, so it eliminates the use of water in certain applications, and also these expensive mechanical sealing arrangements that you have to put in when there's no water. Maintenance and downtime is shortened because of the new suction liner that's removable. It's easy and safe to take out. It's a hands-free system. So to inspect your liner and to inspect your impeller is a lot safer and quicker. It saves on downtime. The other thing that we have as a benefit is the suction pipe does not have to be removed from the pump itself. It stays in place while you do this inspection, saving a lot of time. Of course, we have the Millmax wearing. That's still part of the Slurry Max. That's what made our pump so famous. The wearing ensures that the critical gaps in the suction side is kept to a minimum. This helps to keep the pressure in the pump, and therefore you don't need to speed up the pump.
Okay.
The other product is Sagwise process control systems. Sagwise is to run our mill more efficiently. It's loaded more efficiently. What tends to happen if a mill is overly loaded, it inversely affects the ore reduction. It could be too low, and there's a lot of power usages that goes with that. So there's a lot of energy cost associated with that. Inversely, if the mill is loaded too lightly, there's a lot of impact that goes on. your wear liners and your media gets life shortened. So with SagWise, we try to optimize your liner life as long as possible. The system works by audio sensors that are placed close to the mill itself. What then happens, it listens for the critical impact sounds inside the mill. Our intelligent automation system then listens and to these sounds, and then it would either feed or reduce, and that helps the optimal feed capacity. We can save energy up to 6%, and we can also save liner and media life up to 45%.
Wow, yeah, that's a pretty impressive numbers there. So, Willie, you touched on automation. Let's talk about it a little bit more. What is FLSmidth doing to transform digitally and with regards to automation?
Okay, FLS is focusing on maximizing its strength in digitalization. It helps us be a bit more forward acting and more responsive to our customers. The automation group is now closer to the industries and the product lines that it serves. It's a greater enabler for us, the automation group at this point. It helps towards productivity growth. The reflux classifier modular plants, as well as the smart cyclone systems and SagWise that I just mentioned are examples of how we prioritize our digitalization in the industry. Our process control and optimization is now stronger with the connection that it has to the digital platform. It allows sampling and preparation teams to interact more with the customer on site, so there's more customer face time. The organization has a clear digital strategy, and we have a central focus on standardization and the intelligent automation that translates into better productivity gains through less downtime and cost efficiencies that we're trying to bring to the customer.
Okay, so this is quite forward thinking, especially in the mining industry. With that in mind, Willie, what are FLSmidth's strategic objectives for 2019 and even beyond that?
Okay, as mentioned, digitalization is a strong focus in 2019 and beyond. We'll continue with that. We want to work closer with the customers. We want to listen to their needs. We also try and understand what they want. We'll come up with tailor-made solutions for them. With our full pit to port offering that we have, the customers know that they can form a great relationship with us through their processes. Innovation, digitalization, and closer customer collaboration will be key in 2019 and beyond as we try and help discover new potential with our customers, and obviously the productivity gains that goes with that.
Brilliant. Willie, thanks so much. I look forward to seeing what you do next year.
Good stuff.